Update about the M5. I took it for a ride this evening, this night. I still have the increased emissions problem, but it was driving okay. I could turn on the M mode. I was driving mostly normally, only 1 or 2 accelerations. After 20 minutes of driving, it popped the engine malfunction. As you can see here, the oil is okay. I'm gonna go to the check control messages. Here you see. Engine malfunction, reduced power. Engine operating at reduced output. It happened before, I didn't make video, but now it happened again. I'm gonna connect Ista and we will see. But before I do that, I want to record how the engine sounds right now. I'm gonna pop it. So we have catalytic converter bank 2, tank empty on fault, fuel pressure model comparison, fuel pressure control adaptation, misfire, cutoff. So I think the misfire cutoff is what gave me right now. Misfire impairing emissions. And also about this happened, this SMG signal engine speed. That happened 152,592 kilometers. Okay, to summarize, I already replaced the spark plugs, the ignition coils, PCV valve, fuel tank breather valve. I replaced the fuel filter. I bought a fuel pump and it was bad, so I put in the old one and I RMA'd the new fuel pump. To summarize, I replaced the spark plugs, the ignition coils, the fuel tank breather valve, the fuel filter and the fuel pump, but the fuel pump was bad, the new one was bad. It had bent pipes somehow, for some reason, so I remade it. Gonna get it again, I guess. And what else should I do? I don't know, to get rid of all of these problems. So this is the update about this car, the E60 M5. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, the car will work fine when I turn it on now, except it will say increased emissions, but it will drive normally and in M mode. It only happens every few days when I get engine malfunction, every few days, not all the time. So, if you see, look. After I turn it on again. It sounds like it's hesitating a little bit in idle. This is a new message. Trans in position N. Vehicle not secured against rolling, but I'm with the handbrake. and with the handbrake. I will give it a few revs. Oh, and by the way, now when I go, only increased emissions, no engine malfunction.